Introducing new Transfer to Excel functionality in Femap 2020.2. On the menu command, I can choose something like Results to Excel. Here I can choose row or column output, a formatting switch, and transformation options. After, I can come in and select output vectors, and based on my selection, I'll be prompted to select nodes and/or elements. Here I'm selecting all nodes and all elements in the model, and we will see that Femap makes very quick work of transferring all results in this model to Microsoft Excel. Over here, we can review our nodal and elemental results easily by switching between different sheets, and we can take advantage of filters and frozen column headings for nice visual aids. If we come back to Femap, you'll notice that Femap has now included Send to Excel buttons on many of the editor panes. Let's use the data table first to show a quick HTML formatted data table. Similarly, the connection editor, the mesh point editor, the function table editor, the layup editor, and many of the other editors now have Send to Excel buttons. If Excel is not open, Femap will attempt to open it for you. If Excel is already open, a new workbook will be generated each time. Send to Excel exists on the selection dialog as well, and we can see that all of the entities have been transferred very quickly from 1 to 30,000 in this model. Finally, on the charting pane, we have the advantage of sending to Excel both the data and the picture of the chart at the same time.